Most security breaches start with unpatched software. So how do you check for system updates on a Mac? The primary path to check for updates on a Mac is through System Settings, the grey gear icon in your Dock or Applications folder. On machines running macOS Monterey or earlier, this app was called System Preferences. Once you're inside, find General in the left sidebar and click it. Then select Software Update. macOS will immediately scan for available updates and display them on screen. Click Update Now or Upgrade Now to install the latest patches. While you're in Software Update, look for the option to turn on automatic updates. When enabled, macOS will check, download, and install updates in the background, including critical security patches. For any IT environment, recommending this setting is standard practice. You can also choose to install only security responses automatically, leaving feature updates for scheduled maintenance windows. Two quick alternatives. Click the Apple logo in the top left corner and select System Settings to get there the fast way. Or from the terminal, use the Software Update command. Run -alt to list pending updates or -er to install all of them. To sum up, System Settings, General, then Software Update, and turn on automatic updates to stay secure. Drop a comment below with your macOS version. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.